In this video, we're going to look at the expansion of two binomial expansions up until x squared. So it says expand 2 minus x to the power of 4, 3 plus x to the power of 7, up to and including x to the squared. So we're supposed to ignore any term greater than x squared. So looking at this, let's expand this one separately and then expand this one separately. And the binomial theorem says a plus b to the n is a to the n, nc1 a to the n minus 1b plus nc2 a to the n minus 2 b squared up until b to the n. So you've got 2 minus x to the 4, so that will be 2 to the 4 plus 4c1 2 cubed minus x. Make sure you put the minus x into brackets, plus 4c2 2 squared minus x squared. I don't need to go any further because I only need to go up to x squared. Now, simplifying that, 2 to the 4 is 16, 4c1 is 4, 4 times 2 cubed, and don't forget it's minus 32x. 4c2 is 6, so it's 6 times 2 squared, which is 24x squared. Carries on. Now we'll expand 3 plus x to the 7, so it's 3 to the 7, plus 7c1, 3 to the power of 6x, plus 7c2, 3 to the power of 5x squared. With our calculator, 3 to the 7 is 2,187. 7c1 times 3 to the 6 is 5,103 times, and then we've got times x. 7c2 times 3 to the power of 5 is also 5,103, but this time x squared. So this times this will be my first expansion times my second expansion, okay, and only doing terms up to x squared. Now what we do is we expand this, so I'm going to do 16 times this bracket minus 32 times this bracket plus 24, so it's 32x times this bracket, and then 24x squared times this bracket. However, I'm going to ignore any term greater than x squared. So doing the first one, I've got 16 times 2,187, which is 34,992. 16 times 5,103x gives me 81,648x, and then 16 times 5,103 gives me the same number, 81,648x squared. This one, I only have to do this times this and this times this. Be careful of the signs. Minus 32x times 2,187 is minus 69,984x, and then minus 32 times 5,100x, that gives me 163,296x squared. I don't have to do the last one because it's going to give me a term greater than x squared. In the last case, I'll do this times this. That's going to give me 52,488x squared. Then I don't need to do anything more because they're going to be x cubed and x to the power of 4. Collecting together the like terms, that's going to give me 34,992. So I need to collect that one and that one together. That's going to give me plus 11,664x. And then in the last case, I need to collect these three terms together. Make sure you take account of the signs in front, and that gives me 29,160x squared. So this has been a video to show you how to expand find the product of two binomial expansions up to a certain value, a certain power of x, which in this case was x squared. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.